Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6, no audio or sound. So with this, I found a loophole with the Forza Horizon 6. It sometimes does not detect the audio for your spatial sounds. So what you can do is go ahead and go to your settings and type in mono audio. With this, go ahead and try to turn on your mono audio right here. So with the audio, open the sound setting as well and make sure that everything is aligned for Forza Horizon 6. Now that will be the loophole for the Forza Horizon. As with the mono audio, this will be turned off when you are playing some competitive game like CS2 or any other competitive game. Mono audio is a whole no surround sound, so mono audio is a sync audio. It bugs on Forza Horizon 6. So if this video helped you, leave a like, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.